What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as D365 Geek, and today we are looking at Power Automate on Twitter and we're going to look at the Get User Timeline action. So this timeline allows you to get this action allows you to get a timeline of a user so you can see their tweets and things that are coming in. So let's take a look at it now. So we're in Power Automate here. I have a manual trigger flow here, and I can click on New Step, type Twitter into the search bar here, and we can find the Twitter connector. Select that, and we can go down and we can see Get User Timeline. So it is asking me for a username, which means I can put in my username or another person's username, and we can get their tweets and their timeline back. So if I go to my buffer, I've got Joe J. Griffin, a friend of mine from the D365 Eugene Northwest Committee, and we can look at his tweets and his timeline. We do also have the advanced options here, which allows you to specify the maximum number of results that you want to get back. So maybe we just want to return the first 5 results back. Next, I'm just going to put a compose action in here, and what we will do is we will add in some tweet text so we can kind of easily go through this. So it automatically puts an apply to each around it because it knows that the JSON object that we're getting back is going to have multiple parts to it. So we can get these tweet texts and we can kind of flick through them in the compose action. So let's click on test. I'll perform the trigger action, save and test, and we'll run this flow. Run flow, click done. And then we can see this. So we've got 1 of 5, and we can see this. So it looks like Joe has replied to Marius about the professionalism of people in the chain. He's done a retweet, so we've got the RT here, of a virtual event for the D365 UG on the 27th of July. Sounds good. Looks like there is more stuff here about a chain that he's in. So we can kind of see all these different pieces of content. So if I flick over to Twitter, this is Joe's account, and we can see all the detail here. So we're going to ignore this top one because that's a pinned tweet, so that's not counted in the timeline. But we do have these. So we have the retweets to Trisha. Actually, we'll switch over to tweets and replies because that all shows the whole timeline. So this is the tweet from a couple of days ago to Marius. This is the reply or the retweet from Trisha about the D365 UG. Then we have the conversation chain we looked at, and this is the top bit of it. This is the bit that Joe has replied to, and that's the message that we got. And then further down we can see the retweet by the D365 UG. So it's getting all those details and all those things out really easily. So this could be really handy if you are looking to try and get some content from people's or some information from people's timelines. You can pull this out programmatically. Maybe you can send it through a sentiment analysis and get some details out of it, or something else. Let me know in the comments down below what you use this for, or what you're thinking of using this for. I'd be really interested. If you did like this video, if you could like and share it with your friends, it'd be much appreciated. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.